What if I told you you could build one automation this week, and by doing so, make $3,000 plus in income, without writing production-grade code, without hiring a team? That's exactly what I did. One N8N workflow, one niche, one offer, and I pulled $3,217 in revenue. Today, I'll walk you through the entire journey. How I discovered the idea, built the system, sold it, and scaled it. Plus the lessons I learned the hard way so you can avoid my mistakes. Let me set the stage. A few months ago, I was doing manual work, pulling data from emails, cleaning it up, sending follow-ups, organizing Google Sheets, doing small repetitive tasks that took hours. Meanwhile, I saw no one in my niche automating these tasks, even though they hated doing them. So I thought, what if I build a tool for them? Something I build once, deliver repeatedly, charge high value for saved time. Before building, I validated. I joined forums, Reddit threads, N8N community, asked, who would pay me to build their automations? What workflows do you hate? Key problems kept coming up. Lead follow-up slipping through cracks, data not getting updated across tools, messy spreadsheets, reports that took hours to build each week. I picked one problem: automated lead follow-up plus CRM data enrichment, something every small business with leads needs. Here's how I built it. Tools: N8N, main workflow, Google Sheets, Airtable, OpenAI, email/Gmail/SendGrid, Flow, trigger when a new lead comes in, enrich data via APIs or OpenAI, store enriched lead in Airtable Sheets, send personalized follow-up emails after delays, notify me on Slack if workflow fails. It took about 12 hours of work over 2 days. I offered it in 2 ways. One-off build setup, $500 per client, monthly support plan, $99 per month. I sold first few via cold DMs and Loom demos. Over approximately 4 weeks, 6 clients, $3,000, plus 2 on support, $217 recurring. Total initial revenue, $3,217. Why did it succeed? Solved real pain, time saved. Low-cost tools, N8N OpenAI Sheets. Onboarding guides and demos. Support plans for retention. Proof via transparent demos. Here's your action plan. Pick one painful workflow. Automate with N8N plus Sheets AI. Sell as $500 setup plus optional support. If you want my automation case study pack, comment, send the pack. Smash that like, subscribe, and I'll share more automation case studies every week.